Hi, my name's Angie. I'm from Centennial College, and we are a public community college located in Toronto, Canada. So Centennial College is the first public college in Ontario province. Our five most popular program would be something like practical nursing, we have program in aviation, we have pilot program as well, including the aviation technician and pilot, as well as engineering from software engineering and AI, aerospace, biotechnology, biomedical, and also we have hospitality program, including culinary management. We have all of the co-op, part-time, paid internship, and then PGWP after you finish a program. It is included and built in our program itself. When it comes to co-op, student can get up from 6 months to 1 year in our 3 years advanced diploma program. We also have co-op for graduate certificate program, which is an upgrade after your bachelor degree. For international student service, we have support from immigration, we have co-op and career service department, we have job fairs, we also have our international admission. So if you have any question, anything, you can go to our international education department. If international student want to apply to our college, we have a 125 application fee, but it is waived and free if you apply through Pacific Premier. So Pacific Premier is one of our longest partner when it comes to Thai market. So they are very used to applying to Centennial College. They have several students who already studied, currently studying, and already graduated from Centennial. So they will be very professional when handling your application.